How to fix check VSC in the Lexus IS250. There's a couple of fixes to this. The first easy one that you have to try just outright is to turn the car off, hold the traction off button for about 5 seconds, and then while holding it start the car up again and then keep holding it for another 10 seconds and see if that fixes it. The second method that you need to try out if the first one doesn't work, take off the negative battery and leave it for 10 minutes and then put it back on and then check if it works. The third thing that might be an issue is that you need a new set of wheel sensors and they need to be reprogrammed. After that, you might also need to drive the car for a while so the computer can read the new sensor data. And that's how to fix the check VSC in the Lexus IS250. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.